Finished 8th in the league for Man United. We want to be aware of that. You know,
they finished 8th, as Roy said. They were clearly Manchester United Champions League football and striving to win the title.
United fans to be patient. So thought.
Nights have passed since the European Championship. A short summer of Olympics comes to an end. On chance worth of remain from the cup. And although this should be third, Man playing out from the back is something they have been something goal for Manchester City today. It's hard to try and get something out in this fixture today.
Well for them in the cup final.
I
think of the guys like Rashford, Harry Maguire, Mason Mount certainly comes into that gun. I mean, you could count, you could give you half a dozen United players. It's a massive.
Amad Diallo, Doku trying to take on Jack Grealish today. Another one who shone on the pre-season tour, suffered discomfort yesterday after a training session and isn't involved. Got the chance to get forward.
Yeah, just a little bit of slack. That was an opportunity to get
tied up in his own feet there. Looking for Rico Lewis. Rashford gets him into his shield.
Yeah, getting back to Rashford though.
On again. 5.
But it doesn't surprise me. That would have been a bet.
Casemiro to tidy up for them.
He did it well, but it wasn't.
Standing directors David Gill, Michael Edison are still around.
Nice movement, wasn't it?
A little bit of a problem. The only player that's played in that Euro final to be starting today. Bob and a weave. Youngsters on tour. He scored against Celtic and now didn't go up. See Manchester City go over that. Bearing in mind he'd only played 433 minutes for Manchester.
But just a wee reminder there, just.
It was a welcome return to fitness. A little bit upset with.
Oh, it's only a nutmeg. I can't believe it on a nutmeg.
It's very tight, congested over on that far side. Bob. Doku.
Well, he did well, didn't he? He attacked the area. He just detected.
And Anna came out, but it's been a beautiful way to start the season. Martinez, and having a chance to shoot.
The hard part ever so well.
Martinez
Himself, he's a little bit of half. In the execution, the finish was.
And they've given it away here, and McAtee has a big chance to open the score.
A little bit unlucky because Haaland made the initial run.
Casemiro getting caught into a knot. Championships. A few marginal gains to be this week. And Southampton was once at Manchester City. Joshua Zirkzee, 23, has come through the door. And Lenny Yoro is still a teenager, and he's one of a number of backroom changes. 150 goals in 219 Manchester United. A flip shot at the end. Team that don't score.
Ross Doku, who can't foul him. And he just.
A lot of fans have been talking.
Still a lot of business to be done between now. Terrific.
Good. Haaland just made his movement. Evans read it.
Yeah, I don't think.
Scratching his head as to why he didn't finish it.
Certainly dominated the possession and looked a better side, but that was for me.
Off.
I'm going to tell you something. That would have been one of the goals of the season already. That was up for it, and he is. He's well up for it, but it's a pass is too far in front. My initial thought was Mount maybe not switched on? And I got that one wrong because he was. It was just the pass was too far in front of him, but beautiful.
It's been at the international tournament saying, come back when you're ready. With it.
The shot obviously blocked from Diaz, and that's clear.
Now he was talking in the build-up to the game. Bob. The process this afternoon would be about refining his team to rotate. This is Mount. Out to Diallo. That far post. Again. It's another encouragement. Fernandes. Casemiro, Mainu. On to Fernandes. Back to
the execution again. He's trying to. Poor finish. I know what he's trying to do.
September international break today.
What a ball. That fell in your picture. Really. Such a. They take people on, get himself involved.
Didn't they? Which I think was why it was such a surprise. Casemiro suggests McAtee. Player on the way out of the...
It's a little bit.
McAtee with a chance to...
Intents and purposes, he's only come back the way. The front post just behind.
Is
wonderful chances with some close-knit football in and around the City box.
get his instructions across. We are. There is more football.
Is it clip? Comes off.
Not too many.
Tendency a little bit.
Quite great. John Brooks. Get it right. And that is the end of the first 45 minutes. Or he points.
Yeah, I did take it.
The young guns that have been having their fun so far. Manchester on the pitch at the start of this new season, and certainly it has been the young guns that have been having